This week, I want to take you guys on hair care products. So today, I will be showing you a properly formulated botanical leave-in conditioner. It is balanced, functional, and designed to hydrate, strengthen, and also detangle your hair without any buildup. Anybody can actually make use of this. You can also adjust the recipe anywhere you suit fit. This formula, I formulated this with pure intention, and it is a 1,000-gram batch. Midweight cream leave-in conditioner. You are going to love this. It will be having the formula will be in 3 phases, phase A, phase B, and phase C. For the first phase, which is the water phase, here we are going to be making our water infusion. I'm using hibiscus, please, and I'm using hot water. It is actually rich in mild acid and is also an antioxidant, which helps with shine, scalp balance, and overall softness. It also gives that strong botanical positioning for your brand. Then the next thing is glycerin. Too much of it will make your hair too humid. Too little will make your hair to lose hydration. So you need to just balance it. Use the quantity I'm using for this particular recipe, and I'm using it at 3%, okay? Now set it aside and start measuring your phase B. For your phase B, this is where you'll be combining your oils and your conditioner. I'll be using already infused oil. You can use a plain oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, any which one is okay for you. But please work with the formula that is also already in the caption. And then you'll be adding your conditioning agent. I'm using BTMS 50 for this. This BTMS 50 will help to soften your hair, help to give you that sleek detangling effect that you want. There's also another wax known as silky wax that is also being used in hair care products. Look at it, this silky wax, but I'm not using it. I'm only using BTMS 50. The next thing is our cold emulsifier. I'll be using cetyl alcohol. You can use cetyl alcohol or cetyl alcohol. This will help to build your texture. Once you are done, place everything on heat. And once everything has heated up to about 70 to 75 degrees centigrade, now we can now combine. Combine your oil phase into your water phase, and then you have to emulsify it very well. You can use a stick blender the way I'm using to actually combine this. And once you combine it very well, you have a very beautiful and sweet emulsion. You need to actually get to this stage. The only reason your oil can combine with your water is because we added an emulsifier in it, which is our BTMS 50. So our BTMS 50 is not only emulsifying this recipe for us, it is also a conditioner. That is your major conditioner for this particular recipe we're making. There are also other conditioners in the market like Polyquat. There is Polyquat 7, 10, 11, etc. in the market. There is also centrimonium chloride in the market. So it depends on what you want to make. But this formula I'm dropping for you now, you can actually convert this into a very viable business, an income stream for yourself. I don't know if you have started making hair care product before and you've been looking for how to incorporate in a leave-in conditioner formula into your product. So today I'm sharing this with you. This is a very good reason for you to like this video and share my content out so that my post can also go viral. So for the phase C, this is your cool down phase where you'll be combining your vitamin E, your hydrolyzed protein. I'm using hydrolyzed keratin protein to actually help to build the hair. I'll also be using some essential oil, tea tree, and you can't do without your preservative. It is non-negotiable. I'm using liquid Jamal Plus at 10 grams for this particular formula. I told you the formula will be in the comment section. It will also be in the caption for you guys. And also for the fragrance oil, I'm using rose fragrance oil. Please bear in mind that if you are making this particular product for infants, you need to skip the essential oil and you need to skip the fragrance oil. If you are making it, you can use hydrosols. If you are making it for kids, like from around 2 to 3 years, you need to reduce the quantity of the hydrolyzed protein in the recipe and also reduce the fragrance oil. You can just make more research about it and then you know how to go about it. For those who would want to turn this into a very good business for their brand, a standardized business, remember to adjust your pH from between 4.5 to 5.5. This helps to keep the hair cuticle smooth, support scalp health, and to optimize the conditioner performance. You can adjust your pH by adding some drops of T3, sorry, not T3, TEA, which is triethanolamine, or some drops of 10% sodium hydroxide solution. Please, once you are done, continue mixing until the product is already smooth, glossy, and fully stable. For use, apply a small amount to a damp or dry hair. Focus on the mid-length and the ends, then style as desired. This is a mid-weight leave-in conditioner that delivers sleep, detangling, hydration, and strength support. It's ideal for dry, textured, and also damaged hair. This is not just a formula or a recipe. This is a system. If you want more formulation broken down like this, real formulation knowledge, not guesswork, follow Bam Glam DIY.